Are you a small business owner feeling swamped, juggling endless tasks? Now picture another owner, calm, thriving. Their secret? Artificial intelligence. AI is not just for big companies. It can be your secret weapon, helping you achieve more with less stress. This technology can truly level the playing field. AI offers small businesses similar capabilities to large corporations. It automates tasks and provides powerful insights to help you compete head-on. You don't need a massive bank balance or be a tech guru. AI tools are becoming more accessible and user-friendly every day. This guide will explore practical AI solutions to transform your business and help you grow faster than ever before. We will cover getting started, boosting customer experience, and smarter marketing strategies. We will also see how AI saves precious time and money. So, get ready to unlock your business's true potential. First, identify your biggest challenges. Where do you waste the most time? What tasks are boring and repetitive? Which areas of your business need urgent improvement? AI is a tool. It should solve specific problems for you. Do not adopt AI just for its own sake. Start with a clear, defined purpose. This focus makes choosing the right tools much easier. Next, research beginner-friendly AI tools. Look for options with free trials, or search for affordable starter plans. Many AI tools focus on specific business functions. For example, chatbots for customer service, or AI for email marketing automation. Read reviews from other small business owners, learn from their experiences, see what tools genuinely work for them. When picking tools, consider ease of use. Look for simple dashboards. Prioritize good customer support. Choose tools that integrate with software you already use. Examples include AI writing assistants. Grammarly or Jasper are popular choices. AI schedulers like Calendly can also help. These tools offer immediate, tangible benefits to your business operations. They are designed for simplicity. Automating simple tasks frees up your valuable time. This allows you to focus on business growth. AI can handle customer queries 24/7. This improves satisfaction. It does so without extra staff costs. Early adoption of simple AI tools provides a quick return. It also builds your confidence. You will be ready for more advanced AI later. Customers today expect personalized interactions. They want to feel truly understood. They want to feel valued by your brand. AI can help you deliver this, even with very limited resources. Personalization builds strong customer loyalty. It drives repeat business. It makes your small brand feel big. It makes you seem attentive. This is key to standing out from the crowd. Use AI chatbots for instant customer support. These bots can answer common questions. They can guide users through your website. They can collect important customer information. This frees up your time significantly. It ensures customers get help quickly. Many chatbot platforms are code-free. They are very easy to set up. You can get one running in no time. Implement AI-powered email marketing tools. These tools can segment your audience effectively. They can send personalized product recommendations. They can tailor promotional messages to individual needs. Imagine sending emails that feel individually crafted. This significantly boosts engagement. It also drives sales. It is like having a personal shopper for every single one of your customers. Personalized experiences lead to higher conversion rates. Customers are more likely to buy, especially when content resonates with them directly. AI-driven support reduces the need for a large customer service team. This saves on labor costs. Happy customers also mean fewer complaints. Fewer returns protect your bottom line. AI helps build positive customer relationships. Business operations can be very complex. They can be incredibly time-consuming. AI can automate many routine tasks, and this makes your business run much smoother. It significantly reduces human errors and allows you to focus on strategic activities. Think of AI as your tireless digital assistant. It works around the clock for you and it never needs a break. Explore AI tools for project management. If you sell products, consider AI for inventory management. AI can help with scheduling appointments and it can manage your calendar efficiently. Look for AI tools that automate data entry because honestly, this task is often a major time sink, especially for busy small business owners. AI can take this burden off your shoulders. Use AI-powered accounting software. It can categorize your expenses automatically, generate insightful financial reports, and even flag potential anomalies. This saves countless hours of manual bookkeeping. Consider AI tools for transcribing important meetings or for summarizing long documents quickly. These small efficiencies add up, and they make a big difference over time. Automation directly translates to time saved. Less time on admin means more time for customers, more time for product development, and more time for effective marketing. Increased efficiency also means you can handle more business without needing more staff. This helps your business scale effectively and prepares you for sustainable growth. Marketing is absolutely crucial for growth, but it can be very expensive. It can be hard to know what truly works. AI can help you make smarter marketing decisions, it can help you reach the right audience, and it can help you create more effective campaigns. All this is possible without a massive marketing budget. AI levels the marketing playing field for you. Use AI tools for efficient content creation. AI can help generate interesting blog post ideas, draft engaging social media posts, and even help create compelling ad copy. Explore AI-powered analytics tools, since these tools can analyze your campaign performance in detail and provide actionable insights for optimization. This means better results from your efforts. Employ AI for social media scheduling and for content optimization. Some tools suggest the best times to post, and they analyze audience engagement patterns. AI can also help with search engine optimization by identifying relevant keywords and analyzing competitor strategies. This helps your business get found online and drives organic traffic to your website. AI-optimized campaigns have higher conversion rates, which means more sales from your marketing spend. AI can identify underperforming ads quickly, saving money by stopping wasteful spending. It helps you allocate your budget effectively, so you put money towards what truly works. This ensures a better return on your marketing investment. Your budget works harder. Consider the artisan bakery Bloom. This local bakery struggled with online orders and customer queries. They implemented an AI chatbot on their website. The chatbot handled 70% of inquiries. This freed up staff, and sales increased by 15% in 3 months. Green Thumb Landscaping Services, a one-person landscaping business, used an AI scheduling tool. It managed appointments and reduced admin time by 10 hours a week. His business grew. Indie Threads Boutique, an online clothing store, used AI personalization for email marketing. Their email open rates doubled and their conversion rate increased by 25%. Fix-It Local Handyman used AI to analyze local search trends and generate social media content. Their online visibility soared and bookings increased by 30%. These examples show AI delivers real results for small businesses. We have seen how AI can be a game changer. It truly helps small businesses compete effectively, enhances the customer experience greatly, streamlines complex operations, makes marketing much smarter, and helps manage your resources effectively. AI is not just a buzzword, it is a practical set of tools designed for real business growth. Starting with AI might seem daunting, but you do not need to be a tech expert. Many tools are designed for ease of use and are intuitive. Start small. Pick one area of your business and choose one simple tool to begin with. The key is to simply begin and learn as you go. Every small step forward builds momentum. The giants have vast resources, but you possess agility, passion, and a direct connection with your customers. AI can amplify these unique strengths. It can help you work smarter, not harder, and free you to do what you love. Embrace AI as your partner in success. Your business deserves to thrive, and it has the potential for greatness. Take the first step today, right now. Identify one challenge AI could help solve, research one suitable AI tool, and sign up for a free trial. Experiment with it. The future of your business could be transformed. This simple action can be the start. The power to outsmart and outgrow is now within your reach. Go for it, you can do this.